Hello friends, today we will discuss Sun in the 4th house of Gemini Ascendant. During this video, I will cover the effects of Sun concerning the property and vehicle of the person, the effect on his younger brothers and sister, his mother, his father. In the end, I will talk about remedies or precautions to be taken in this case, and before I end with the tip of the day. As you can see on the chart here, this is a Gemini Ascendant horoscope in which number 3 is written in the Lagna. Mercury is the lord of Gemini Ascendant. Sun is the lord of the 3rd house where number 5 is written, and Sun is placed in the 4th house. The 4th house represents our property and vehicle, and during this period, this person will be involved in buying and selling of property or vehicle. He will both buy and sell the property and vehicle also. His house will be well lit up. It will have a lot of lighting in the house because sun signifies light. This person will find happiness when he is at home, and in case not, then the second place he will find happiness will be when he goes and sits near a water body, a canal, a river. These type of water bodies, he will find a lot of happiness there. Sun represents the government, and from the 4th house it is aspecting the 10th house, which is the status, promotion, etc. of a person. So this person is likely to get favors from government job, government contracts, government tenders, favors from his bosses, and all these good things in his life. Regarding the younger brothers and sisters of the person, the younger brother and sisters of the person will have a magnetic personality, an attractive personality, and an authoritative voice. During this period, the younger brother or sister of the person will be very focused on earning money and increasing their bank balance, their liquid cash, and they also might procure some kind of jewelry, precious stones, diamonds, gold, silver, rubies, etc. during this period. For the mother of the person, Sun is in the house which represents the mother, that is the 4th house, and Sun is also the lord of the 3rd house. So during this period, the mother of the person is likely to fall ill or get hospitalized or go abroad or lose some money, or it can also happen that she may invest her money in certain ventures. For the father of the person, this placement indicates that the father of the person will begin a partnership business during this period. However, he will have problem in the partnership business with the partners during the period when Sun is active. However, in case his business involves some kind of factory production, or he is involved in occult studies like astrology, Reiki, numerology, tarot, etc., in that case, the effects may be benefic. Now with Sun being the lord of the 3rd house and placed in the 4th house, both these placements are by and large good. So remedy of Sun is not required in this case. However, we must take a precaution here because Sun is placed in the house which gives us property and vehicles. So to get more property and vehicles in our lives, we must make sure that we always respect and serve our parents. Our mother and father, we must look after them. Looking after your parents will give the person an increase in his property and vehicles. Now for the tip of the day. We have seen many people feeding birds. Birds are fed so that we get better results regarding our business. In case you have a problem coming in your business, along with that, in case you have problem in your teeth also, then it is recommended to feed birds. But while feeding birds, please remember, do not feed the birds on your rooftop or inside your house. Try to go to an open ground and feed the birds there only, because the rooftop represents Rahu and other planets are represented, and so therefore we do not want to activate the other planets. So it is always better to go to an open ground to feed the birds. That will give the best effects regarding your business, improvement in business, and in case you have teeth issues, then it will help in that also. That's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.